Holding a strong reason with the strong one. Etana, welcome.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
There.
Good looking while when I catch up now. Last time we caught up, you were just dropping an album.
I know, right?
Tell me 3 words
I
to
can't
describe that whole
believe it.
experience.
It was wicked. I won, Miguel. Wicked. It was nice. It was
Let's sum
awesome.
it up, huh?
Yeah.
And what was the name of the previous album?
The album is called Reggae Forever. That's album number 5.
Album number 5.
Yeah.
Like walk us through this experience now. So you dropped the album. What was the response like?
Well, it was my first album that I did the production on my own, right?
Lord.
Independently.
Now, normally when this happens, you know, when artists get out the whole independent, me don't need the producer route.
Yeah.
That kind of, I mean, people normally say, I wonder if them did better if them did link up with the producer. Or whatever. What was your feedback like? What was your response like?
Well, I call myself a perfectionist, right? So I never stop until I feel like it's right. And I sent it to a couple people first, like the harshest people. Would I be like, yo, I walk one, what is this? Take it back. You know, and their response was like, yo, wow, this is good.
Wow.
So I said, from them, so, I'm good. So it was finding the right musicians, finding the right vocalists, finding the right people to collaborate with, to write songs, you know, finding the right engineer to mix the song, and then listening to the song over and over and approving the final mix. All of these things. It was hard.
So
at first, like at the end of it, I said, Jano, I have to question myself, like, would I do this again or by myself? I mean, even though I have my team, which is a small team, that I work with, that I can say, listen to this and tell me your opinion, you know? And then I kind of weigh the opinions and thing, and yeah, so it was hard.
And you just asked a valid question. Would you do it again this way?
I would. All said and done, I would do it again, over and over again.